Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds from Connect IPS. First, you'll need to log into your Connect IPS account using your registered username and password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From there, locate and click on the Fund Transfer or Send Money option. It's usually quite prominent. Before proceeding, always double-check that your linked bank account is active and holds enough funds for your intended transaction. Next, you'll need to provide the details for your fund transfer. Carefully select the recipient's bank from the drop-down menu and then accurately enter their bank account number. Double-check this number to avoid any errors. After that, input the precise amount you intend to send. Finally, add a brief but clear purpose or remark for the transaction. This helps both you and the recipient understand the payment's reason. Before finalizing, it's crucial to review all the details you've entered. Take a moment to verify the recipient's bank, account number, and the transfer amount. Accuracy here is key to a successful transaction. Once you're confident everything is correct, you'll be prompted to enter your transaction password or a one-time password, often sent to your registered mobile number. After successful authentication, confirm the transfer to complete the process. Connect IPS offers robust security features, but it's good to be aware of transaction limits. For instance, you can typically transfer up to 2 million rupees daily through the web channel. A single transaction via the web might be capped at 1 million rupees. Remember, these limits can vary based on your bank's policies. For your protection, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.